this is the differential bolt, and as you can see, this one is just on there. Look at that. Look at that. And that's it being cleaned out more. Dude, look at that. That's just so much on there.
The differential is a lot easier to access and easier to do than transmission. So in case you guys want to start with the diff first and then the transmission, that's a keynote.
The two different part numbers, one for the side bolt and then one for the drain bolt. The weird part, this is what threw me off. The weird part was both of these literally look the same, but both of them have different part numbers, and everything looks the same except one of these, I believe it's this one, has more of a yellowish hue to it, a little yellow tint. It's gonna be hard to show just because I have this light that projects the yellow hue, so it's gonna be a little bit hard to tell which one's which. But if I remember correctly, this was the one that kind of had like a little yellowish hue. Maybe that's why there's a different part number, but honestly they're both the same type of crush washer. So let's remove the side one. This is how it looks like. Crushed like that. With crush washers, they're a lot different, since crush washers, one of the sides is more rounded and the other side's flat. So you want to make sure that you put it in the correct way. And let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So this is a crush washer, and you can see that this part right here is flat. If my camera decides to focus, this part's flat, and then this part right here on this side, it's a little bit more bulky. Kind of hard to show you because the camera's not really focusing, but you can see it's flat on this side and then bulky on the other side. Let's go ahead and put the drain bolt back in and tighten that up, and then we're going to fill it up.